Good afternoon all, MacBlogs here. I have finally made it back to the lonely Broomstick here in Falkirk. They have their Christmas decorations out because yes, it is Christmas season and I want to go and have a look inside. So let's go and have a look inside what's new from my last visit and check out all the Christmas decorations. So let's have a look at some of the gift ideas that are here, which are pretty unique in my opinion. So let's have a look around. So we've got a personalised photo for £20. Get a picture taken in the store and get it framed. How cool are the night bus cushions? Love it. So cool. Look at the size of the chocolate frogs. Now there's the normal one there. Look at that compared to that there. It's so good. Should I get it? No. Probably finish it in all in 5 minutes. The theming is fantastic. Amazing. Of the tree. Hogwarts Express night bus, which we just looked at, under the tree, and even the Christmas crackers as well. All your different candles here as well. I need to keep talking because of the music for copyright. I will put in a montage of the full shop with some music over it so you can have a look at all the different gift ideas that's available in the store. I've also got a tree, I don't know if this tree was here last time. And of course, Hagrid's motorbike. So I have been here before. I will put the link down below in the description box and you can have a look at that. I might put an old clip in as well from the potions class because I can't get in there today, so you can have a look at that. Cookbook there. There you go, year one. Wizarding cookbook. And some badges as well. The Gryffindor pin. I like these magnets. More magnets here. I like this advanced potion making bath set as well. That's something different. It says only Broomstick's their own bath set. Lots and lots and lots of different books, of course, but I like this one as well, the broom collection. It gives you, from the films obviously, but every broom has its story of its own, so that's something different that I've noticed from the store. I don't think I've seen that last time. Spells and potions. Look inside of that. That is really, really cool. Again, very, very unique. You can see more of it there. And you can adopt Dobby. Companion adoption certificate. So you can even adopt a Dobby. Adopt a Dobby? Adopt a Dobby, yeah. All the different potions. The handmade book there as well. Mandrake. Is that same? Restorative draft. Look at all the detail. You can see up there as well. Quidditch. Through the ages. Beedle the Bard. Voldemort and Harry. Up there on the frame Lego. Some Harry Potter cards. So Quidditch World Cup cards. So only $3.99 and you can get yourself a Harry Potter card. Again, which is pretty unique. I like those maps. You can get the maps here as well. I think I've seen them in the corner, so I can have a look at that. Might even get some love potion. And here is the map. It's very, very, very large map. Again, something very different. Oh, Mandrick. Got the nutcrackers out as well. Starting to feel the Christmas spirit already. These look very, very tempting. So butterbeer candies. I'm guessing like kind of butterbeer toffee. What else do we have here? What's this? Exploding bonbons. What's this? Disgusting petrified spiders. Lovely. Some really cool mugs as well, look at them. Look at that mug. They're pretty cool. Bertie Bott's mug. Are these drinks here? What else we got? Tropical fruits. And cream soda. Gotta love cream soda. Tempted. How much are they? Tempted. Even got Christmas spice candles. Well, candle melts, sorry. Different candle melts there. Get a Christmas spirit with that. Size of that? Gobstopper. Wow. I'm fascinated by this. I picked it up earlier. And yes, brains in a can. Candy in a can. So I have been in to the School of Witchcraft and Potions, and I'll put that clip in just now so you can have a look at that. There is a class on just now, so I'll put that in for my last trip and you can have a look inside. Cheers guys. So the owners have granted me permission, just for myself, to come in and have a look at the potion room and the potion classes where you can make your own potions, and you have a potion teacher to teach you all different types of potions. You can make your own potions. So let's have a look. Here's the table. I'm just getting in quickly before the next group comes in. Got all different potions. I'm trying to be careful not to knock anything over, but look at the detail. Absolutely stunning detail. Wow, amazing. Little bowls here, the spoons on it. Oh, got Bellatrix. This is so cool. How good is this? How amazing. I'm just in awe of the detail. What is that again? What's the
Christmas
Christmas at Hogwarts, and that's the hot chocolate?
That's the chocolate orange hot chocolate.
Chocolate orange hot chocolate.
Perfect.
Cheers. How good does this look? Let's enjoy this. Too busy enjoying it. I've dropped a bit. So good. Orange hot chocolate.
Let me just wait like watch it dry. Yeah, but is that everything?
And that is me leaving the lonely Broomstick. It was good to get a quick trip in. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It was a quick visit just to see an update on the Christmas decorations. And hopefully you enjoyed that update. If you're looking for something different in regards to gift ideas, if you're a Harry Potter fan, if you know someone who is a Harry Potter fan, check the Lonely Broomstick out. I'm not just saying that. Very great store, fantastic store, great gift ideas. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I am very tired. I'm now going to go home and you know what to do. So until next time, I'll see you all then. Bye bye.